Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys pleasure pump. So let's get started. So this is the EasyToys pleasure pump itself. Now this is a fantastic toy to add to your collection. The pump increases the blood flow to your erogenous zones, so you're not only assured of a wonderful sucking stimulation to your swollen vulva, it's an exciting sight for you in the mirror or for your partner too. The tongue just here stimulates the clitoris through 7 stimulation positions, and it also has a G-spot vibrator at the other end just here with 10 vibration modes, and as you can see it's also ribbed for extra stimulation. It's also curved to effortlessly find your G-spot too. The pleasure pump has 2 different attachments which are really simple and easy. Simply twist to come off, and you can use another attachment. Simply twist into place like so, and it's ready to go. Each attachment also has a silicone attachment at the top just there for ultimate comfort during use. Also included is a silicone attachment with nubs on either side for the tongue itself. It's very simple and easy to attach on. Once it's on, it's ready to go. To turn on, press once, and as you can see, the tongue wiggles. You can use the plus to increase the wiggling or use the minus to decrease. To change the setting, click on the same second button and decide which stimulation mode is best for you. Turn on the G-spot vibrator, press on the bottom button. To change the settings, click on the same button. You can have lots of fun experimenting. To turn off, press and hold for a few seconds, and it's now off. The G-spot vibrator is also made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch, and so is the tongue as well. The attachment is also made of a lovely silicone material. Now, when using the pumps, we'd recommend to use a little bit of a water-based lubricant around to help create a strong vacuum effect and for comfort as well. It's very simple and easy to recharge the pleasure pump using the USB charging cable provided. It is magnetic, so they will attach together like so. Simple and easy. Now, this pleasure pump may not be submerged underwater. And when using this pleasure pump, as mentioned, we'd recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the toy after every use. And for this, we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the EasyToys pleasure pump. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.